no. That's the barge. Yo, I got the best spot in the town. Get out of here. Are you kidding me? Bro. I've never seen fireworks like this. Oh my. Whoa, that's amazing, bro. What? Look at that. Holy schmoly. I've never been able to see like the first one. Wow. It's amazing. Look at that, how it goes up. Oh my god. Holy. What? What? Whoa. I wonder if the geese are like fascinated. Dude, this is so cool. Like, this is so cool. Potentially unsafe, but 100% worth it. You can see them go up. What? There's more over there. Second time. Oh, they stopped. Oh my god, that's amazing, dude. You have no idea. What? What? Dude, so amazing. Look, you can see the fire. Oh my god, oh my god. Shut up, this is incredible. Wow. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How does it, oh my god, how does it do that? Oh my god, how does it do that? What the, what? This is incredible, dude. Holy shit. Oh, it's pretty smoky though. I'll be okay. What? Setup. I'm on a log, right by the river. The barge is right there. What? What? Oh my god, this is so crazy. What? What? As you know from the previous video, or you don't know, I was not a fan of fireworks like 2 months ago. And they still are very traumatizing. They're like, holy moly, they're amazing. Wow. Look at that. No one else is getting my view from the shore. I smell hamburgers. Oh my god, that's my favorite. Oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Get out of here! Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Incredible. Oh my, what? Look at that. What? Sorry, I'm trying to stand on it. What? What? That's bigger than... Oh my god. And they also have a dead man kill switch or whatever, so like they think, and you think it's gonna like explode or they need to turn it off. All they gotta do is flip a switch, and instantly it's done. Isn't that crazy? It's all electronic. What? Oh my god. Look at that. I can smell it. Bro. Dude. What? This is incredible. Oh my goodness. Yes, dude, yes. Woo! Holy moly, holy moly, holy moly. Shut up, dude. Look at that. What? too. It's amazing. Go in 3 minutes. Not over for 8 minutes, but that. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna maybe miss the grand finale, but I won't really because I'll just have this going while I walk. Oh, but I need a camera. Light. Woo! Hopefully I get it. Whoa, look at that.